What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ariel, and I'm coming at you today with a quick nail tutorial on how to do a nail fill-in. I use acrylic. I know some other people use gel, polygel. I haven't gotten to polygel yet, but that's something I'm looking into. But I usually take a nail drill and I drill off all the lifted part of the nail. And this is just me showing you guys what it looks like when I'm done drilling that part of my nails. And then once you're done doing that, you're going to take some nail dehydration and you're going to dehydrate the nail beds. And this is a way to make sure that your nail beds are very dry. That way your acrylic sticks to it and nothing lifts. I tend to have a very oily nail bed, so I have to do this step. And then you're going to take some primer and you're going to prime your nails up really good to make sure that the acrylic sticks on your nails. A lot of people forget to put primer, and that's where people's nails go wrong, and that's what causes your nails to lift. It is very important that you use primer on your nails. Next, I'm showing you how I take the nail liquid and I dip it into the nail powder, the acrylic powder, and I make a really good, nice, not too runny consistency of a ball. And that's very important. If it's runny, you're going to have acrylic everywhere and you're basically just ruining the nail. So I just take that out. I put that on my nail and then I just smooth it out really good. Next, you're going to take your nail drill or nail file and you're going to drill your nails really smooth. If they are lumpy, bumpy, your nails are going to be ugly. So please make sure you do this step because you do not want any lumpy, bumpy nails. And then after that, you're going to take your nail file and that's going to make sure that your nails have no lumps or bumps in it. And then once you're done doing that, you're going to take your nails and you're going to wash them, or you're going to apply cream, or you have cuticle oil, cuticle hand washing soap, whatever you have, you're going to apply that, and then you're going to paint your nails. I did not include how I paint my nails in this video because I just felt that it wasn't that necessary because most people know how to paint their nails. But if not, I am willing to show you guys another video. So just let me know below in the comments. And here are just some pictures of my nails. And thank you guys again for watching my video.